somebody, try not to fall asleep. Everybody watching you hold yourself together. Everybody's watching you yourself together. Everybody's watching you. Drinking, think I'm drinking way too much.
Morning, neighbors. So, what gets your day going? Or ano yung morning ritual niyo? Kami, coffee. So, punta tayo ngayon sa, let's have our morning coffee ngayon sa may Festival Mall sa Coffeesmith. Next week, it's gonna be their first anniversary. If you remember, we were there nung launch nila last year. One year na, no? Ang bilis. So, we'll visit them again. Well, we've been visiting them naman. So, but we'll visit them now and see kung ano yung mga anniversary promos nila. So, this time, magmotor lang tayo. Try natin magmotor because meron silang nung curbside. So, we'll go inside also because we have coffee there. Pero try natin yung kung paano yung curbside delivery nila or curbside pickup nila. Punta tayo sa Coffeesmith for coffee. Siyempre, huwag kalimutan ng mga mask, tsaka face shield, traffic. Sana harangan natin yung mga gustong mag-go kahit na nakastop. Ayan, go na. May konting jeep na dito sa Muntinlupa. Social distancing. Naka-separate lang sila ng plastic pero magkakatabi pa rin. City Hall, Muntinlupa, busy. Tawid lang kung saan, lapit lang nung pedestrian lane. Sige na. Malamang ito ang babalikan natin traffic. Babalikan natin yung traffic mamaya, malamang. So, good luck. No face shield, no mask, no ride. Siyempre, no money din. Doon siya sa may sakayan ng mga jeep at mga shuttle south. So, right around that corner.
Ano? Lalag-
Mga oldies. So meron silang anniversary treat, anniversary promos starting November 28 to 30, 50 off on your second drink. O, diba? So on November 30 naman, for every 1,000 peso purchase, single receipt, may free bingsu bowl. And then sa December 1 to 3, may free upsize. Check out nyo sila. Anniversary nila. Happy anniversary, Coffee Smith. Happy anniversary, Coffee Smith. Happy anniversary, Coffee Smith. Happy anniversary, Coffee Smith. Yeah, so open sila for dine-in, may social distancing. May mga ibang tao na rin na nag-dine-in. So open for dine-in. Pasyal kayo. Thank you. Thank you. So you guys can park here, order there, and then alis na. Init na upuan. Right, for the coffee. Now to get on with our day. Okay na tayo. Thank you, Coffee Smith, for the gift for your anniversary treat. So, happy anniversary again. Stay tuned, guys. We'll feature other mga kainan dito sa South. Muntinlupa, Paranaque, Las Piñas. So, kung may suggestions kayo, message nyo kami. Puntahan namin, kain tayo. Samahan nyo kami, kain tayo. Okay? So, please like, subscribe, share, visit kung ano man yung mga feature namin sana para makatulong tayo sa mga businesses. Everyone's struggling now. So, tulungan-tulungan na lang tayo, diba? Tulungan. Okay? So, okay, ingat guys. Thank you. Tama. Very good.